In the previous videos, we talked about insurance policies and what is a full coverage insurance. As I mentioned before, not everything is included in the full coverage insurance. What are the things that they do not sell you when they sell full coverage insurance? Personal injury protection and med-pay. Personal injury protection is something that is guaranteed to you by state statutory right. The only time that you lose the coverage is if you sign off on it. So whenever you buy an insurance policy, they hand you a bunch of documents and they tell you sign this page, sign this page. That's when they're getting you to waive your personal injury protection. What is personal injury protection? Personal injury protection provides coverage for your injuries if you were at fault or if you weren't at fault. For example, you were involved in a collision, you rear-ended someone, and you even have health insurance. You end up going to the hospital, your health insurance is a $5,000 deductible. Well, guess what? You can use your personal injury protection money to come and pay for that $5,000 deductible so you're not paying out of pocket and your health insurance picks up the rest, because you're obviously not collecting money from the other side. Now, let's say you weren't at fault and someone else rear-ended you. In that situation, you still get to collect your personal injury protection and you still get to collect money from the other side. There's a huge benefit to that because you get to pay some of the, for example, if you lose time from work, you gain the benefit of being able to use your personal injury protection. It's also known as PIP, towards paying your lost wages up front so you can continue to pay rent and go on with your living. There's also Med-Pay coverage. So let's talk about what is Med-Pay and then we talk about the difference between the two. Med-Pay pays for your medical bills. You necessarily can't use it for lost wages. As the name sounds, it's Med-Pay. And also, huge difference between PIP and Med-Pay. Med-Pay is subject to subrogation. The word subrogation means that once you have collected funds, either from the other side or from any other source, you're supposed to pay back the money that you collected from Med-Pay. Huge difference. If you're going to purchase a policy, I would purchase personal injury protection rather than Med-Pay. It's almost usually the same price, but with much greater benefits. And don't just sign off on those documents without knowing what you're signing off on. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe below. And also like our video and share them so we can do more of these so you guys can learn more. Thank you so much.